Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. And friends, finally, Accenture admit card is out. Breaking news from Accenture because it is the first time any company has released admit card for the online exam. Okay, for the online exam, now they will give you seating positions also. But yeah, 12C is a seat for Ramesh Kumar. Okay, so in your home on the chair you put 12C and then only you sit. Okay, pan card, pan card, you keep it on your face so that it will be visible in the camera. Okay, see, companies should definitely do something different, man. If the same thing company will do, then how things will go on, right? Okay, such a big company, they have to do things differently. You have, see, this is what company is even asking you to do. That company is doing differently, you also have to do differently. Okay, candidate ID, name, USN, your email ID, your date of birth, okay, your mother father date of birth, your degree, branch, college, each and everything they have given in the admit card, except the college name, the the timing, everything they have given. Okay, that you don't have to worry at all. Now you see logistic guidelines and instructions. Laptop, desktop must be enabled with webcam and microphone. Webcam should capture images clearly. Both webcam and microphone must be switched on across all screenshots. Before that, you need to see this. So congratulations, you are eligible to participate in our recruitment process. Please find attached your admit card for our hiring program scheduled from 21st December 2025 till 31st of January 2026. So this exam is going to be long, and I hope everyone will be able to write the exam. Okay, but from the admit card, it still looks like the exam is going to be online only. See, clearly they have mentioned, congratulations, you are eligible to participate in our recruitment program, and find the dates 21st of December to 31st of January. Okay, so important details. Provide your original PAN card, e-PAN card on the assessment day. Once you enter the assessment hall lab, you won't be allowed to exit until the assessment are completed. For physical assessment venue details, reach out to your placement cell. Now it is so confusing that, being from 2025 batch or 2024 batch, how you will be able to reach your placement department. Placement department already don't want to see you. So this is very much confusing things they have done it. Okay, so what we will do, we will wait for one more day, 2 or 2 more days, to understand if the exams really they are going to change anything. But as per, even after the admit card, it looks like exam will be online only, because there is no venue. Okay, there is no timing. So laptop, desktop must be enabled with webcam and microphone. Webcam should capture image clearly. Both webcam, VPN proxy should be disabled. Okay, so this is the minimum requirement. Windows 10. Okay, headset for communication assessment, use a USB enabled headset with microphone. Avoid Bluetooth headset. Download and save your admit card. Download and save your admit card. Along with that, you frame it also, that admit card. Okay, that admit card you have to show to your in future, after 20 for 10 15 years, you have to show it to your son and daughter also, that once Accenture was taking the exam, and everything they were taking online, even admit card they sent, but there was no venue. So this is the first time in the history some company had done that, right? So you have to get it framed. Silver framing only you do, gold framing you don't do. Okay, but if you do gold framing, that also is good, better actually, because gold prices are increasing. So if you invest today in this admit card, then tomorrow you will be, the Accenture will not hire you, but that gold prices will increase and you will get lot of money. Okay, okay, then download and save your admit card, review the assessment guidelines document, recruitment process, something and all you do, and that's all. But anyway, keep everything aside. Now, if it is online or offline, we will see what happens. We will go write the exam. All those things are different, but pehle preparation to kar lo yaar, right? See, where is the party? Forget about that. Okay, first see the location, right? Okay, so start your preparation. Already we have started putting the one shot revision video, as we always do at Online Study for You. So you also please do it. and then see, if you get selected in Accenture, trust me, it's a very good company. 4.5 lakhs per annum package is good, and the company is also good. They will not ask you to find out project by yourself. They will not tell you that 35 days I will kick you out if you don't get the project. They will not give you the onboarding after 2 years, and after 6 months of training, they will tell you turn back, and then they will kick you from the back. So all those things will not happen in the Accenture. So really a good company. But you guys are not, subscribing to the channel, neither you are liking the video. That is a problem, and that problem, please fix it. Trust me, with so honesty we work. No, we bring the updates, everything that you will really remember forever. Thank you, take care, and all the very very